Frustrated with wasting money on trout fishing gear that just doesn't deliver? After testing over 30 different baits and lures across various water conditions, I've finally identified the 5 trout fishing setups that consistently land fish. Our rigorous testing process, which includes dawn-to-dusk fishing sessions and different weather patterns, has revealed which trout fishing gear truly outperforms the rest. Each of these proven lures has unique advantages that could transform your fishing success, so make sure to watch until the end to find the perfect match for your fishing style. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Here we go. Number 5. The Goando Fishing Lures. Kit offers a really broad selection for trout anglers. It's designed to give you options, no matter the conditions. These lures aim for realism. They feature precisely engineered shapes. You get stereo 3D fish eyes and lifelike scale patterns. This helps mimic actual bait fish. The genuine plating creates a brilliant flash in the water. This definitely increases visibility and attraction. This kit is quite versatile. You can use it in various freshwater spots. It's effective in all water layers, so whether you're fishing surface, midwater, or bottom, you're covered. The set includes a crankbait, a VIB, and a topwater lure. You also get 33 plastic worms and 5 jigs. Plus, there are fish-shaped soft baits and simulation shrimp. It even comes with 32 additional accessories. It's a pretty complete assortment. The materials, like stainless steel and soft plastic, resist deformation. They also fight off corrosion well. This means they should last. It all comes in a handy plastic tackle box. This keeps everything organized and easy to carry. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 4. The Trout Magnet 142-piece fishing kit is a well-thought-out system. It's primarily for trout, yet it's surprisingly versatile. This kit centers on a unique lure presentation. Its Trout Magnet grub lures pair with specific hooks. This combination achieves a perfect horizontal fall. That specific fall, well, it's less likely to spook cautious fish. You'll find it effective for panfish and bass too. It really does work for various freshwater species. Everything comes in a handy, pocket-sized tackle box. It's double-sided, so your gear stays organized. The lures are made from high-grade plastic with bright colors. These are made in the USA. You also get easy trout floats. They're designed to help you detect the slightest nibble. The kit includes 120 grub lures, 20 sharp hooks, and 2 floats. While other kits provide a broad lure assortment, this one focuses on perfecting that horizontal presentation, which can make a real difference. The standout advantage is its consistent fish-catching ability. That horizontal presentation truly seems to trigger bites. If you're looking for a complete proven system for trout and other freshwater fish, this kit simplifies things. It's particularly good if you appreciate an organized approach to your tackle. You can buy directly from Amazon using the link in the description. Number 3. The Upper Youper Fishing Lures. Kit for bass trout is a really comprehensive set. It gives you a wide array of lures. You get VIB lures, soft baits, and spinnerbaits. Plastic worms and maggot soft baits are also included. This kit aims for versatility across different fishing spots. Think ocean, lake, river, or stream. The lures have a realistic design. They try to mimic natural prey movement in the water. The materials, metal and soft plastic, are chosen for durability. They resist corrosion and deformation. This should give them a decent lifespan. Unlike some kits focusing on a specific lure type, this one provides broad coverage. It all comes packed in a compact tackle box. The box measures about 5 by 2.7 by 0.87 inches. This makes it easy to store and carry. The main benefit here is the sheer variety. It's a great way to cover many bases without buying individual items. If you're starting out or just want to add a lot of options to your tackle quickly, this kit is a solid choice. You can check today's price on Amazon through the link below. Number 2. The Goando Fishing Lures. Kit is a really comprehensive set. It packs 380 pieces into a single tackle box. This kit aims to cover many fishing situations. You get a wide array of hard baits. These include crankbaits, poppers, and minnows. They feature 3D eyes and bright paint schemes. This helps them mimic real fish effectively. There's a significant selection of soft plastics too. You'll find 108 different soft lures. These are designed for a natural, flexible movement in the water. The kit also includes 12 spoon lures. These provide that classic flash and wobble. Essential terminal tackle is part of the deal. That means 200 hooks, some jigs, and bullet weights. You even get fishing leaders. It all comes neatly arranged in a portable plastic tackle box. This makes it easy to carry your gear. The lures are intended for both freshwater and saltwater. They work across different water layers. The Upper Youper kit we looked at earlier also offered good variety. This Goando kit, well, it takes that idea even further. It's less about a single perfected technique like some specialized trout kits. It's more about giving you a massive toolbox to experiment with. Pros offers an enormous selection of lure types, provides a versatile starting point, and for new anglers, includes a tackle box for convenient organization. Cons: with so many pieces, individual lure quality might not match premium options. The main benefit here is the sheer volume and variety. If you're building your trout tackle collection or just want to try many different lure styles, this kit is very practical. You can can buy directly from Amazon using the link in the description. If this broad selection sounds right for you, and use enhanced text or use NN. This Exorophelis set differs from broader kits by focusing specifically on spinnerbaits. Instead of a wide variety of lure types, you get a dedicated selection of these spinners. This focus is ideal if you already know spinnerbaits work well for you, or if you want to specialize in this particular lure style. Pros: casts well due to their weight. Blades spin easily for good action. Includes a practical storage box. Cons: blade designs use stickers. Durability over time is a question. The main benefit is a dedicated set of spinner baits, offering good action and castability. These lures are a solid choice for covering water effectively when targeting species like bass, pike, or larger, more aggressive trout. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Before we reveal our number one, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. Which one would you choose? You can see updated prices and buy the products on Amazon from the link in the description.